Hi, and welcome to this tips and tricks video by Premium Plus. My name is Anton, and I'm here to tell you about problem and incident tickets in Zendesk. You can create problem tickets for a single issue, and then you can add incident tickets to that problem ticket for issue related to the same root issue. Next, you can solve all related incident tickets and the problem tickets in bulk. So what does it look like in Zendesk? Let's have a look. I have two tickets coming in. The first one is my IT team letting me know that the web server is down for maintenance. So this ticket, as it is the root cause of an issue, will be changed to type problem. This will have an effect on the tab here at the top as well. So now we have one problem ticket, and I can submit it as open. The next ticket we received was a ticket of a customer who cannot reach our web shop because, of course, the web server is down for maintenance. If we receive one or many of these tickets, we can then change the type question to incident, and immediately we get a new conditional field, linked problem. Here we can select the problem this incident should be linked to. In this case, the web server being down for maintenance. As soon as I do, we see that in the tab it changes to incident, and we can also see to which problem ticket it is linked. Again, we submit as open, and we can see now in our original problem ticket that we have one incident linked. I can click this tab and I will see all incidents that have been linked to this same root cause. Now, when the server is back up and running and IT updates me, I can then update my ticket with a public reply and say, hi, the web shop is back, happy shopping. Next, I can then submit my ticket as solved, and this will make sure that all linked incident tickets will also be solved automatically, and any new comment, the one we just added, will be sent to the same incident ticket. So we'll hit solve this ticket. There we go. And if you now look at the incident ticket, we can see it just changed to status solved with the same update as in the original ticket. So really easy. If you have one single root cause, create a problem ticket, and just any incident ticket that comes in, you can add that to the problem ticket. Once it's all solved, just add a public reply, submit your ticket as solved, your problem ticket as solved, and as you can see, all incident tickets will be updated accordingly. So that's all on problem and incident tickets. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time.